Hey guys, so today I have a little different setup, so we're just trying something new, seeing if it works. I have a big monitor over here that I can see myself in, so I know if I'm in and out of focus. I know if my coloring's off, so bear with me for this video while we still figure out all these little details. But today's video is going to be mainly about glitter. If you do not know, the Nordic NYX Face Awards, try saying that 5 times fast. Nordic NYX Face Awards, Nordic NYX Face Awards, Nordic NYX Face Awards, Nordic NYX Face Awards. They recently started submitting their challenges for challenge number 2 of the Face Awards, and their first challenge video to go from the top 30 to the top 15 was called Glitter Revolution. So I'm going to actually just have fun and do kind of what I think I probably would have done if I was in the top 30 of the Nordic Face Awards, and show you what I come up with for Glitter Revolution. I do have a reference photo as to what inspired me to do this. I've been wanting to do a Harry Potter kind of series for a while. So my first little inclination for it, I'm not doing this series yet, but I definitely want to do this whenever I heard Glitter Revolution, and especially after I saw everybody's submission videos for the top 30, I was just like, yes, I need to do a Patronus from Harry Potter and glitter. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be so awesome. So, this is a girl called Cinder Alley on Instagram, and she, let me see if you can see that, and she created this fun Patronus look, and I'm going to be referencing this just because I'm still not the best drawer. Shading is my happy place. Shading and highlighting, oh, I could do that all day long. I love it. But actually drawing something out that's supposed to look the way it really is supposed to look, like realistic drawings, we'll see. If this is your first time here, make sure and hit that subscribe button, like this video, because I post new videos every Friday at 10 a.m., sometimes earlier than that, and sometimes later, but most weeks, it's every Friday at 10 a.m. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video to come. I'm excited to see what it's going to look like, and if you see me looking off in that direction, it's because I got a big monitor. You know, I need to see what it looks like in the monitor. You know? So, let's get to the video. Okay, so to start this Patronus look off on the right start, we're going to take our Mehron Paradise paint in this blue and black color and kind of mix them together to create a gradient navy look, style, whatever you want to call it. So I'm starting with the darkest colors and then kind of working it down. Now I'm going to take these light blue, teal, and white Mehron paints and a sea sponge and start stippling randomly everywhere to cover up my patchy paint job. Now with the fan, we're going to dry that paint so we can start painting the white on top. So now I'm just using my reference photo and just outlining where I want the Patronus to be. And then after I get a normal outline, I'm just going to fill it all in with that white Paradise paint. Now I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill and the James Charles palette, and I'm going to be using the teal and blue shades in both of those palettes. So now I'm just going to focus on shading. Shading all the different muscles, the eyes, the nose, everything that you want to kind of stand out and bring down. That's what you want to focus on shading. This whole stag look is about the shading. So take your time, make sure that you're understanding which antlers are going to be behind, which ones are going to be forward, And then after you're done shading, you're going to take the NYX Cream paint and white, and we're going to start highlighting. So I didn't highlight that much, but I highlighted the parts that I knew I was going to put glitter on. So I wanted to make those extra white and extra opaque. Now for the glitter, I'm going to use the NYX glitter glue and the Glitter Brilliance glitters, I guess, and white and silver. So I'm going to take the glitter glue and put that over all of the white parts that I had just highlighted and brought out. And then I'm going to just literally dump glitter everywhere. This glitter was everywhere. So I'm taking a fluffy brush and dipping it in the glitter and then just patting that on. And now I'm taking the NYX Epic Liner Pencil and outlining everything. Outlining makes everything better. So now that we've outlined, I'm going to bring out my shoulders a little bit with the white NYX cream paint and just start stippling that everywhere to kind of add some highlights back into that background shades. And now that we're done with that, I'm going to go put my face on and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so thank you for watching my video today. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please make sure and hit that subscribe button, like this video, and I will see you guys next week.